Hey guys, I'm at the Poplar Road level crossing in Royal Park, Victoria. This is a 2-gate 4-signal level crossing on the Upfield Line, which sees trains to Upfield. These first signals over here have a McK&H signal base, a black with white riding stop and signal sign, 2 Westinghouse Incandescents on a McK&H Crossarm, the 2-track sign, a standard crossbuck and a pole cap. And the gated mast has a McK&H signal base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a Wishbone Gate and 3 Artcraft gate lights, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a McK&H Crossarm, a general signals e-bell. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Alright, and these signals over here, we have a McK&H signal base, a black with white riding stop front signal sign, 2 Westinghouse Incandescents on a McK&H Crossarm, 2-track sign, standard crossbuck and a pole cap. And the gated mast has a McK&H signal base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a McK&H Crossarm, which is white, a general signals e-bell, a Wishbone Gate and 3 Artcraft gate lights.